Hi, my name is Vaz and welcome again to iSky Productions. Today in this video, I want to show you how you can update the DJI Mic 2 to the latest updates made by DJI. So to do that, you're gonna need to have the DJI Mic itself and also Type-C USB. And before we moving forward, please feel free to subscribe my channel just below this video. Thumbs up as well. Any questions you have regarding this video, ask in the comments. I will be really happy to help you with anything related to this video. So let's move forward and update the DJI Mic 2, the latest update. So now to update your DJI Mic 2, you have to go on DJI website and download the update from there. So to do that, you're gonna have to go on Google and just type download DJI Mic 2 update. So I'll go now on the Google. So just to show you, download DJI Mic 2, there you go, and just the first link, which is download, just click download. And now you're gonna see the latest updates for your receiver and transmitter, which is well, I think it's made this month. So you're gonna have to download them both. Once you download them both, you can just install them on your DJI Mic. Just to let you know, you're gonna have to update them individually. So for this, you're gonna have to connect them using the USB Type-C. So for this, you're gonna have to use USB Type-C and your receivers. So I will first of all I'm gonna update my transmitter. So I'm gonna connect them using my USB Type-C. So once you have connected your transmitter or your receiver, you're gonna be able to just move the file onto the transmitter or receiver. So the DJI Wireless Mic 2 T and DJI Wireless Mic 2 add means T from transmitter and add from receiver. So since I'm updating my transmitter, I'm gonna put my transmitter file on transmitter. So once I've done that, I'll disconnect it. So here you go, and here and this we're gonna update automatically. As you can see here, it is flashing. So I'll do the same thing with the next one. Same again with another transmitter. Just connect to my laptop and move the file. It will do automatic and leaving on the side to update automatically. And now it's time to update my receiver. So once you have connected your receiver to your laptop, just to let you know, it's a bit tricky to connect the receiver to your laptop. So if you're struggling a bit, you're gonna have to hold power off and on button for 2-3 seconds in order to appear on your laptop. So once you see the receiver is connected to your laptop, just move the file receiver, the update to your receiver. So here you go, it is now copying, and once it's done, you'll be able to disconnect and see how it's updating automatically. So once you have copied the file into your receiver, it will automatically update itself, so you don't have to do anything apart that. You'll have to wait. So once the update is done, you'll be able to see on the screen that the update has finished. So in this video, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you, how you can update the DJI Mic 1 or 2. Pretty much the same for both mic, and pretty easy and simple. It could be a bit tricky with connecting the mic to your laptop, but for that you're gonna have to fiddle around, and I've noticed it is a bit painful to connect the receiver to my laptop. So I had to find out on Google how to fix this issue. So if it is not connecting in your case, just feel free to ask me in the comments. I will help you with that. If it is not connecting, try to hold the power off and on button for a couple of seconds, and you should be able to see the receiver on your laptop. And again, thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Feel free to subscribe my channel, thumbs up, and I'm gonna see you next video.